Hi, this is Stephanie. I'm just doing a quick screener for you guys to show you how to create that transparent piece of tape again with the jagged edge, but the really rapid version of it. And so this is kind of for fun because there was a post this morning that actually made me laugh quite a bit. The fellow had demonstrated how to create this transparent piece of tape using a different tool and citing that it was quite a bit easier to do that than in PowerPoint. But the point is that you can do it in PowerPoint, and you can do it very rapidly. So what I'd shown earlier, and you can see those the two pieces of tape on the screen right now, was a straight edge using a rectangle tool and a gradient fill, and the jagged edge was created using the rectangle tool, but then further using the edit points feature to create the peaks and the valleys that give the appearance of a jagged edge piece of tape. So that's one way to do it, and that certainly works just fine. But if you really want to go fast at this and really rapid, well, I've got another way. And so this is a throwdown, a 1-minute throwdown to show how quickly you can create that piece of tape in PowerPoint. And so without further ado, and you can take a look on the clock in the lower right corner and watch my time here, I think I can get under a minute. So let's get started. You want to choose Insert from the menu, then Shapes, and choose Freeform as your shape. You want to go back to your slide and just start drawing. You're just moving your mouse and you're clicking where you want the lines to change. So I'm moving my mouse, creating that right side jagged edge, and clicking as I'm moving and dragging, and doing the exact same thing on the left side. And again, it's not perfect science here. Just want to create the appearance of a jagged edge. Double click, it fills in the shape. Right click, choose Format Shape. Change the line color to be a light gray. Change the line style to be 0.25. Change the fill to be a gradient. It's linear, and the direction can be left or right. There are 3 gradient stops, all use the white color. Stop 1 is 0 and 0% transparency. Stop 2 is 50 and 70% transparency. And stop 3 is 100 and 20% transparency. Click Close, and there's your piece of tape. Now from here you could, and that ends the demo basically on that. Now you can refine this, and you could choose the edit shape, and you can actually refine each of these points manually if you wish to. You could also click and drag and size that object down to your liking. You could click the green rotate handle and move it onto your object on the screen. You could very easily press Ctrl C, Ctrl V, create a copy of that, rotate it again, and place it on another angle of the same object. You could, at this point, like the previous screener had mentioned, is you could also export that out as an image and then bring it back in. And if you do that, you can also recolor it. You can add shadows, you can add reflections, and a bunch of other features to jazz it up even further. So there you go, the really rapid version of transparent tape with a jagged edge. Hope you enjoyed the demonstration.